Loose or actually off. Actually, after you take the gobble off, you want to adjust the block. Right here is flush. You want to bring it out some more. So you're going to loosen the screws. And you adjust the gobble block to your liking. Go in or out. In your case, you want to go out some more. So that way, your gobble actually touches the wall or the rail of the reformer. So once you get it the position you want it at, you just tighten it down. You place your guide wheel back in. And as you can see, it came out some instead of being flush. Now, you might have to do that a couple times depending on the liking that you want it, but the wheel doesn't have to be flush against the rail. It just actually acts as a guide. It got to be a little bit of space between both sides of the guide wheel. Thank you. For having any other questions, just let us know.